When a function has additional property that no two unique elements of the domain have the same image in the range, the function is said to be one-to-one. This suggests that each element of the range is the image of exactly one element of the domain. Domains: x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3. To its range, y sub 1, y sub 2, y sub 3. Since meron silang tigi-isang domain at saka range, ito ay one-to-one function. Sa pangalawang example, ang mga domain ay x sub 1, x sub 2, at x sub 3. Ang mga range naman ay y sub 1 at saka y sub 2. X sub 1 at saka y sub 1, tapos x sub 2, tas y sub 2, tas x sub 3, at saka y sub 2. Since merong nag-share na dalawa, ito ay hindi one-to-one. Sa dati nating napag-aralan, merong ginagamit na line test sa function. Yung regular na function lang, which is the vertical line test. Dito naman sa one-to-one function, may ginagamit din na line test. Ito ang tinatawag na horizontal line test. Sa horizontal line test naman, malalaman mo kung ang graph ay one-to-one function kung ang nabuong graph ay walang dalawang point na nag-i-intersect. Ngayon, tignan natin ang example 1. Kung may dalawang point na nag-intersect. First point, may natamaan. Second point, may natamaan din. Then, third point, may natatamaan din. Since ganun ang nangyari sa graph, ito ay hindi one-to-one. Not 1, 2, 1. Naman natin dito sa example number 2. Yan. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, sixth point, and seventh point. Since wala namang natamaan, walang point, dalawang point ang nagkatamaan or nag-intersect, ito ay one-to-one. 1, 2, 1 function. So, yun guys, kapag basta walang nagtatamaan na point sa isang na buong graph, yun ay one-to-one. Pero kapag may, kagaya ng example number 1 natin, may dalawang point na nag-intersect, yun ay hindi one-to-one. Let us now proceed to example number 3. The given is y is equals to x squared plus 1, x is equals to y squared plus 1. Since gaya nung kanina, ganun pa rin ang rule. Kaya lang, ibang klase naman kasi ang given nito. Pero ganun pa rin naman, pinagpapalit yung y at saka x since it is an inverse function. Then, i-transpose yung 1 dito sa may x, magiging x minus 1 is equals to y squared. Then, para mawala tong squared dito, gaya dun sa kanina, ngayon, ilalagyan mo naman sila ng square root both sides. There. Para ma-cancel. Cancel na, then, dito remain siya. Edi, magiging y negative 1 is equals to square root of x minus 1. That is our final answer. Yay! Since part ito ng ating topic, ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin ay ang inverse of a function. Yes. Okay. Example number 1. Y is equals to square root of x over 2. Then, magiging, since inverse function siya, ganito. X is equals to square root of y over 2. Bali, pagpapalitin mo lang yung x, magiging y siya kasi nga inverse. Then, ito, cross multiply mo sila. E di, magiging x, tapos 2, tapos equals to square root of y. Para matanggal yung square root dito, kasi hindi naman pwede yan, i-squared mo sila ngayon para makancel tong radical sign. At itong kabilang side. Then, cancel na. Then, ang magiging sagot na is y negative 1 is equals to, distribute mo muna tong x, magiging 2x, then may squared, 2x squared. So, ayun na ang ating sagot. Y negative 1 is equals to x squared na ang final answer. Kaya siya naging y negative 1 kasi inverse of a function siya. Let's now proceed to example number 2. Given ay y is equals to x minus 2 over 3x minus 1. Gaya kanina, ganon. Magiging x is equals to y minus 2 over 3y minus 1. Then, cross multiply, 3y minus 1 is equals to y minus 2. Then, distribute yung x. 3xy minus x. Kaya siya naging x na lang kasi, diba, you know the rule, equals to y minus 2. Then, combine the like terms. 3xy minus y is equals to x minus 2. Kaya naging positive yung x kasi transpose. Yung y kaya naging negative kasi transpose din. Then, since common factor sila, magiging y tapos 3x minus 1 is equals to x minus 2. Then, for the final answer, y negative 1 is equals to x minus 2 over 3x minus 1. Ito na ang ating final answer. So, yun lamang yun, guys. Thanks for watching. Tutorial by Carmel. Carmel Melano. Thanks, all the love.